Hey guys, Hailey here from Veterinary Practice Solutions. And welcome to our animated Whiteboard Wednesday. Today's episode is controlling practice patterns. It's easy to talk about increasing efficiency in the practice. It's not always easy to do it. One tip I can give you is to control your practice patterns. When we say pattern here, we mean a routine or route that is established. If you put in place a system that is the exact procedure from start to finish, you can lessen a lot of wasted time on figuring out what to do next. So start with an exact procedure. The client arrives at the front desk, fills out paperwork, and is grabbed by a tech to go to the exam room. That is an exact, simple pattern. But when you look at it, you can also see that there are places that, if not made organized, would lessen efficiency. For example, what if all of the paperwork was in another room? Instead of taking 1 second for the front desk to give the new client papers, it could take 3 minutes. If you had another client in line, now they have to wait, even if it's just a little bit. Things like this can add up, and you end up feeling overwhelmed by how busy everything is. If you just organized the actual position of things in the office so everything was done as quickly as possible, you would lessen your stress significantly. Once you've set up a pattern, you should actually go through it from the perspective of a client and see how many things get slowed. It could be the exam rooms are unnecessarily far from the waiting room, making for a long walk back and forth. Once you find these things, do your best to adjust them so things move faster. By having an organized system for handling things and a space that facilitates that system, you can control the patterns of your practice and increase your productivity. If you're interested in more practice tips, attend one of our free webinars. To register, visit www.veterinarypracticesolutions.com/webinars or click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you soon.